I'm exhausted. Had a long week. Looking at my fridge, I've got some potatoes, some leftover leeks. We're gonna do the is it good test, and then I think we're gonna make a soup out of this. So luckily these leeks and celery, which I didn't even know was in here until I poured it out, awesome. This is already cooked, so I don't really need to sweat this. I just wanted to let that weird soupy water, condensation, whatever, stuff like melt away. So now it's good. I have it on a low heat. Now what I'm going to do is add the potatoes. I also have a little bit of an onion, ginger, that was blended with some grapeseed oil. I'm gonna put a clump of that. I tried to make a sauce out of it and it was too spicy because of the white scallions, but I didn't want to throw it away because it still kind of tasted good. So what's gonna be good about this is it's gonna add a little bit more acidity and flavor because I don't really have any herbs in my pantry right now. I did a big purge of it a long time ago, and I don't think I have any fresh right now because I haven't really gone to the grocery store. So we're just gonna really just keep trying to season with salt and pepper and really whatever I can find. And score, I did find some old thyme, and most of it fell out in my crisper drawer, so I'm just gonna pick that up and dump that in as well. And now we wait. I'm going to let that boil. I don't know. I'm just going to keep it low and clean up. You know, multitasking is great. Honestly, everything has already been cooked because the leeks were prepped. They were supposed to be made for, it looks like it was a soup for my restaurant. My potatoes were cooked. It's been hot, so I had already decided to cut up the whole bag and boil it. I happen to have this. So this is actually going to go pretty quickly on my end. I mean, as soon as really it kind of boils down, but I want all the flavors to combine. I want them to marry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep tasting it as it starts to kind of break down. And then I'm going to run it with an immersion blender. So it's been, I don't know, like, it's been about 20 minutes. I can smell the soup. It's very fragrant. Just in case, I have an extra carton of chicken broth. It was looking a little shallow, so I might just top it off just a tiny bit. Just because I have so much potatoes, it's going to be a very thick mixture if I don't thin it out. And let's take a look and see what we see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my immersion blender and I am going to blend the shit out of it. So there you have it. You have a potato leek soup with a little corn succotash that I just ended up having lying around that I wanted to top it with. Remember, the world is a dumpster fire, but your meals don't have to be. See you next time.